It's so early. Why did we have to come up here to the cave so early?
You know why? Mama likes us to pick the herbs in the morning when the dew is still on them. This is the best place to find the herbs she likes. You aren't afraid of being near the tombs, are you?
Of course not. Well, I'm not going over there. Roman soldiers are guarding that tomb where they laid Jesus of Nazareth after he was crucified, and I don't want to make these soldiers angry.
Good idea. Hey, what's that?
Those two ladies, they're running so hard they almost knocked me down.
Where are they coming from?
Oh, from that tomb over there. I saw everything.
That's the tomb the soldiers are guarding. What were you doing over there?
It is where the best herbs grow. Right behind the cave, Master Joseph Aravima led them used to bury Jesus of Nazareth. The ground began to shake, and I hid behind that big olive tree and watched it all.
What did you see?
Well, after the noise and ground breaking, the Roman guards fell down on the ground like they were asleep. That big stone rolled away in the door of the tomb. A few minutes later, the sun started to come up, and I saw two ladies covered with jaws clean cloth.
What did the ladies do?
They kept walking up, and then I heard them talk to someone inside the tomb.
Inside the tomb? Who? A ghost?
No. An angel. And this is what he said to them. I'm an angel. Why do you seek the living among the dead? He is not here. He has risen.
Risen?
What does that mean?
I know! We went with Mother and Father to hear Jesus speak. And he said he would be crucified for our sin and rise on the third day as a sign he was able to forgive us. And this is the third day!
And the ladies started to run to tell everyone what they had seen at the tomb. I went up to the tomb and I looked in. Jesus is gone, and the cloths they wrapped in Jesus in a few days ago, they were folded nicely.
Look, down there. The ladies have stopped running.
They're talking to someone!
He looks like a gardener.
No. I think it's Jesus. I recognize him. It is Jesus. He is risen.
Happy Easter!
He is risen indeed. Our salvation has been secured.
Happy Easter.
Thank you, Lord.
Yay!
Bye-bye.
Yay, Mary Ellen.
Oh.
Christ the Lord is risen today. Hallelujah. Earth and heaven chorus say, hallelujah. Raise your joys and trumpets high. Hallelujah. Sing ye heavens and earth reply.